Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all will be fine. Today we are going to learn lesson 11 with exercise 2. What is the lesson 11, children? Ratio and proportion. Ratio and proportion. Let us start exercise 11.2 first bit. Express the following ratios in their simplest form. First, you have to check A and B. Antecedent and consequent. You have to check antecedent and consequent. Now, these two are, which numbers are there? Prime or composite. You have to check first of all. These are prime numbers. Now, these not going in any one table. You have to write this simplest form is 2 is to 3 only. 2 is to 3 only. Okay, children. Next, second one. 16 is to 20. These are composite numbers. Now, these numbers have two more factors. That's why only how to check this table incoming, these two you have to check first of all. Now, A you have to, for example, A 2 with cutting time, you have to cut B second term also 2 with only. Okay, children. Now this you have to check it 16 and 20. These two composite numbers, which table incoming? Yeah, 2 table. 2 8s are 16, 2 10s are 20. Again, 8 is to 10 also composite only. 2 4s are 2 5s are. What is this simplest form? 4 is to 5 is it? Simplest form of 16 is to 20. 16 is to 20. Next you have to check 19 and 2. These two also not coming in any one table. That's why only this answer is, this one simplest form is 19 is to 2. A bag contains 20 kgs of rice and another bag contains 60 kgs of wheat. Now two grocery items are there. What are there? 20 kgs rice bag there and 60 kgs wheat bag there. Now, find the ratio of the amount of rice to that of wheat, and what is the ratio of rice to the total weight? First of all, you have to find out the ratio of the amount of rice to that of wheat. What is that? The ratio of the amount of rice to that of wheat. Rice to that of wheat. What is the weight of the rice? 20 kgs. What is the weight of wheat? 60 kgs. You have to find out these ratios. Now, how will you finding? 20 kgs is to 60 kgs. Now, you have to cut it. Zeros. Then 2 1s are 2 3s are. What is the ratio? 1 by 3. 1 is to 3. 1 is to 3. Now, first you have to find out the ratio of the amount of rice to that of wheat. Now, what is the ratio is came here? 1 is to 3. 1 is to 3. You have to cut it. 20 divide 20 kgs by 60 kgs. 20 kgs divided by 60 kgs. We will get 1 is to 3. 1 by 3. Now, what is the ratio? 1 is to 3. Next, you have to find out the ratio of rice to the total weight. The ratio of rice to the total weight. Total weight means, what is the total here? How many bags are there here? 20 kgs rice and 60 kgs wheat bags. Now, you have to first of all count it. What is the total weight? The ratio of rice to the total weight. What is the rice weight? 20 kgs. And what is the total weight? Means you have to check it. 60 plus 20. 60 plus 20. What is the answer? Total weight is 60 plus 20 kgs. Means 20 is to 80. 20 is to 80. 20 by 80. 20 by 80. 20 is to 80. First you have to cut these two zeros. Then 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. What is the answer? 1 is to 4. 1 is to 4. Or 1 by 4. 1 is to 4 or 1 by 4. Okay children. Understand this one? Note this one. Third one. Suppose there are 32 students in a class of which 12 are girls. Which 12 are girls. Now, first you have to check the question. First of all, you have to check the question. Total number of students in a class. How many students are there, children? Yeah, 32 students. And that into how many are girls are there? 12 are girls. Now, you have to find out boys. Now, boys. What is the question? First question. The ratio of number of boys to the number of girls. Now, the ratio of number of boys to the number of girls. First you have to find out what the number of boys is equal. First you have to find number of boys. The number of boys. Now here not given boys. Now you have to first of all find out number of boys. The number of boys. The number of boys is equal number of students, number of total students or students minus number of girls students minus number of girls. Now the number of boys. First of all you have to find out number of boys. How will you finding? Total students. Subtract. Now, girls from total students. You have to subtract. Not total student to girls. We will get boys. Now, we will get boys. Now, how many students are there total in this class? 32. You have to subtract number of girls. What is the answer we will get? What is the answer? 20. 20 students are boys. Now 20 students are boys. The ratio of number of boys to the number of girls. The ratio of number of boys to the number of total boys. How many are there in this class? 20. Next, how many girls are there? 12. How many girls are there? 12. 20 is to 12. Now you have to find out ratio. Simplest form. Now 2 tens are 20. 2 six are 12. 2 fives are 10. 2 threes are 6. Now, what is the ratio? 5 is to 3. What is the ratio? 5 is to 3. 5 is to 3. Note this one. Second question. The ratio of number of boys to total number of students. Now, this third bit in only second one. But find the ratio of number of boys to total number of students. Now, second answer. The ratio of number of boys to total number of students. Now, what is the number of boys? 20 or number of boys. Now, what is the total number of students in that class? 32. 20 is to 32. 2 tens are 20. 2 sixteens are 32. 2 fives are 2 eights are. What is that? 5:8. What is the ratio? 5:8. 5 by 8 equal 5:8. What is the ratio of number of boys to total number of students, children? 5:8. Note this one. Okay, children. Third in only third one. Now, third between third one. Find the ratio of number of girls to total number of students. Find the ratio of girls to total number of students. Now, the ratio of number of girls to total number of students. What is that? Girls, how many are there? 12. Total students 32. Now, 12 is to 32. 2 6 are 12 is to 2 1 ja 2 6. 6 are. Now, 2 3 ja 6. 2 8 ja 16. Now, what is the answer? 3 by 8. Or 3 is to 8. 3 is to 8. Note this one. Okay, children. Today homework. Exercise 11.2 in third bit. I give a question. Suppose there are 42 students in a class, of which 14 are girls. You have to find the ratio of number of boys to the number of girls. Second one, find the ratio of number of boys to total number of students. And find the ratio of number of girls to total number of students. Thank you.